Hey, it's Anna with WTI, and if you want to give your baking supplies a facelift, then you're going to love this copper bowl.
This 5-quart radiant copper stainless steel bowl from ADWR Parts is the perfect thing to add to your kitchen. I love that I was able to get a whole new look for my KitchenAid without having to purchase a new machine. I love that this bowl works exactly like the bowls that this machine comes with, but it is also heavy duty, dishwasher safe, and just really adds a whole new look in my kitchen. I have put this bowl through the ringer since I've got it, doing all kinds of baking, and it has been the perfect fit for me and my kitchen. And I love using it and I love seeing it out my counter.
I love how this bowl looks with my kitchen. It works perfectly with my KitchenAid, and if you're looking to give your baking station a little bit of a refresh, I highly recommend getting this one. And that's my point of view.